Quick one today. We've got a little bit of repair to do at the budget camper build. This thing, it has some shortcomings, and that's why I built it as a budget build, or I am building it. Shortcoming today is broken door latch here. This is also broken where it holds it to the wall here to keep the door from flopping around in the wind. And the screen door latch is completely missing and destroyed. So the screen door also needs some work here, and this plastic piece here, the one I got from Camco is actually wrong. I think I'll just 3D print it and be done with it. But today I think we'll set this up, and it's just a wonderful day to be in the bush. The wind is howling. It's like 29 degrees, just beautiful. The bugs have all been blown away now, mostly. So let's get the screen door fixed, and we can finally have this door open and let some air through. So I think this should be the right one. 3.5 inch on the end. I think that's about right. The piece was missing, so I have no idea. So this will go on the far wall. This should replace the one right here. And I'm assuming that this goes, where would that go? So that's on the wall over there. We would want it to fall in, I would assume. I'll check this out. Found this at my local dollar store. Check that out. It's labeled $3.99. What is that, euros or pounds? I never know. It's got the thing in the middle. But it was a couple of bucks at my, yeah, $4 at my Dollarama. $4, like really? Plenty good enough for the camper, I think. So you guys that have followed me a while know I do have a pretty monster set of tools from being a mechanic at home. But I like them to stay there. That's where they're insured, and that's where they're most often used. So at the camper, in case people decide to steal it, something like this should be just fine. I think that'll be all right. Sure enough, seems to be all right. Not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with this door yet, so I'm not gonna bother sealing these up. Truthfully, I don't think they need sealed. This trailer is not moving down the road or anything, so I think they'll be just fine the way they are. We're not gonna let any water in. The inside of the door is all cracked, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do there to remedy that situation. I think I'm just gonna put some adhesive vinyl over it, just for looks, but I'm not sure yet. Beautiful. Just put the other latch on, we'll be done. Alright, let's see how we did. I think that should do the trick. Just like that. Ha! Now we can have a door open finally without it flopping all over the place. That's wonderful. Little lift and off it comes. Nothing to it. Pretty happy with that. Now we'll do the screen door. No idea what that crazy loud exhaust there is. He's ripping around. Alright, multiple pieces here. That's the exact same latch as what was there. Down for open, sure enough. So we don't even have to replace the catch on the wall. That is a perfect fit. Exactly as intended. One more screen door flopping around and bugs flying in. The mosquitoes here are pretty bad at times, so having the door open without screen is simply not an option. So this has been on my list since I put the camper here the other day. I think we're cooking. Lovely. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. And because this latch is kind of weak, I think I'll go ahead, or potentially weak. If this one broke, the other one might break, so I think I'll go ahead and replace the catch too. But that's not bad. We can move it just a smidge tighter than the original and we'll be all set. Tight. That's lovely. And the other one is just this catch right here to catch it on the main door. And I don't think I'll bother changing that because that'll basically never be used here. This door needs the screen closed, not open. So the only thing I might do is I think I'll fix up this striker plate here, is just kissing the door as it comes open. I think you can see where it's been rubbing there. I think I can do something about that without even messing with the frame probably. I might just give it a little tweak and that'll be that. But I wish I had the pieces here to finish this up. Maybe a future video, stay tuned. And I'll 3D print this. I just have to design it in Fusion 360 and I'll be able to go ahead and sort that out. But now we can finally have our screen door open. Yay! That's gonna let a lot more air through the camper, and on a day like today, that's just a welcome thing. Okay, so it's a few days later again, and I finally got what I think is the correct piece for this door. The Camco one was wrong. This one appears to be correct this time. It has a lip, some screws, nothing to it. All right, now we're cooking. We've got this shielded good and snug. I spaced this out and we're happy. Just have to clean the screens, and I still haven't found anything to make a panel on the bottom here yet. It's real thin plastic. I can probably make it out of something thicker, but I don't want to. I want to stay with something super thin, nice and light. But yeah, now we're cooking. That's what we needed. So, oh, I need to clean that a little bit. But yeah, we're good. Now everything seals up and the mosquitoes can't get in. Ha! Perfect. Happy about that. Man, oh man. What a beautiful day to be here. Isn't this something? Well, a little slice of paradise. Cheers, guys.